Hi, welcome to this video. You can make your iPhone turn on low power mode automatically by setting up a personal automation in the Shortcuts app. Now, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, tap the automation at the bottom of the screen, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, scroll down and select battery life, right? Or excuse me, not battery life, battery level. Okay, move the slider to your chosen percentage, such as 20%, 20%, right? Or 30%, and select falls below, right? Falls below 20%. Now, head next, or before hitting next, make sure to run or after confirmation, or you can run it immediately if that's what you prefer, right? So in my case, I usually let it run after confirmation, but you should use the second option, or you should tap the second option, run immediately. Hit next. Make sure the action, right, is set to turn low power mode on, right? Set low power mode. Okay? And then hit done. You can also create a second automation using rises above to turn low power mode off once your battery charges past a specific percentage. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, say yo.